Which MagSafe wallet should you buy? Great question. Today I will be reviewing MagSafe wallets and specifically answering the question of which one is the best buy. Now, I do know that there are tons of different MagSafe wallets to choose from out there, but I will specifically be talking about these three. First up is the Apple Wallet. So the Apple Wallet is made of European leather. The design is very sleek and minimal. It can be found on Apple's website for a price of $59, which is kind of costly. One good thing is that there are several different color options to choose from, which is pretty cool. It also comes with the Find My feature, which can be pretty useful if you've lost or misplaced it. The Find My option can help you find the area where you last left it. Though it would be better if it had a noise that would, bring you to the exact spot, but nonetheless, it's still helpful to know its last location. As I said before, there are many different color options. There are also different Apple cases that are available that you can mix and match and can make your phone setup look more aesthetically pleasing if you're into that sort of thing. I have found myself that the magnet holds best with the leather case, but that's just my opinion. It can hold about 3 standard cards comfortably. In my opinion, anything else would be a super stretch. Next up is the Moft vegan leather wallet. As I said before, it is made of vegan leather. This case is available on Moft's website for a price of $29.99. On the website, it says it can hold up to 3 cards, but respectfully, I have 4 in my wallet currently, and it's holding up pretty well. Similar to Apple, Moft also has a case that is available that you can use to go along with this wallet, but to me, it's just not giving. It gets kind of dirty, as you can tell, very quickly. So, in my opinion, I just wouldn't go for this if you're looking for something long-lasting as far as a clear case. So the magnet on this wallet is pretty strong, like incredibly strong. But honestly, what makes this case special is the 3 different viewing modes that allow for so much versatility throughout your day. However you want to use your phone, it's there. The Moft wallet allows you to view in 3 different viewing modes, which are portrait, landscape, and floating. Portrait mode is an option when you just want to scroll on your phone through your different social medias, etc. Landscape and floating are pretty similar, but floating is by far my favorite. With floating, you can watch your favorite shows, play your favorite games, and for a bonus, with iOS 17, you can set up while charging for a cool viewing experience as an alarm clock, calendar, or to just show off some of your cool photos that you might have already taken. Alright, lastly guys, is the Five Below wallet. This one is made very similar to the Apple wallet, but there are major differences in quality. The magnet in the wallet is not the best, and it has a cheap feeling compared to the Apple wallet. But this is fine because it's only $4. Alright, so I'm sure by now you're probably wondering which should you choose. Well guys, the answer is pretty obvious, especially with these 3. Well, or maybe it's not. In my opinion, the Moft vegan leather is the best buy. The price mixed with the quality and features validates that decision for me. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you again for watching. And please, 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 please don't forget to comment below and let me know if you have any of these already. See you next time. Bye.